Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 30th December 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, in order to lighten your burden of sins, be faithful and honest in writing the history of your past actions. Give it to the Father and half will then be forgiven. Question. Which seed can you children not sow at the confluence age? Answer. The seed of body consciousness. It is from this seed that the whole tree of vices grows. At present, the tree of these 5 vices has grown over the whole world. Everyone continues to sow the seeds of lust and anger. The Father's directions to you are, children, become pure with the power of yoga. Stop sowing that seed. Song is, having attained you, we have attained the world. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Always have the awareness that you are now Brahmins. Therefore, stay very far away from the vices. Never let there be criminal assault. Remain very honest and faithful to the Father. Number 2. In order to become double-crowned kings, become very sweet and keep the line of your intellects clear. Do the tapasya of Raja Yoga. Blessing for today. May you become free from bondage and liberated in life, and remain constantly stable in an unlimited stage. Details are: body consciousness is a limited stage, whereas being soul conscious is an unlimited stage. When you enter a body, you have to enter karmic bondages and limitations, but when you become soul conscious, all of those bondages finish. It is said, those who are free from bondage are liberated in life. In the same way, those who remain stable in an unlimited stage become liberated from the vibrations and atmosphere of the world as well as the tamoguni attitudes and attacks of Maya. This is known as the stage of liberation in life, which you have to experience at the confluence age. Slogan is, the sign of someone having a faithful intellect is that he has victory guaranteed and is carefree. No waste can come to such a soul. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now have the deep concern to become complete and karmatit. Understand the deep philosophy of karma, that is, be trikaldarshi before you perform any action, for only then will you be able to become karmatit. If you make even trivial mistakes in your thoughts, then those too create a very severe karmic account. This is why you must consider even a small mistake to be a big mistake, because you are now coming close to your perfect stage.